What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is grab our address from Coinbase Wallet, so we'll tap into our Coinbase Wallet app. Next, we'll tap the double arrows at the bottom, and then we'll tap on Receive. Because I want to receive Ethereum, I'll tap on the Ethereum address to copy. Once you've copied this address, you'll go to your Coinbase app. When you're in your Coinbase app, you're going to tap on Transfer at the bottom, and then you'll tap on Send. Now remember, we're sending Ethereum, so I'll tap on the Ethereum option here. On this screen, I'll also select Ethereum. You'll paste your address into the search bar at the top, and then you'll type the amount you would like to send. I have $2.56 available. I'm going to send $1. Next, I'll make sure I'm sending Ethereum to my Coinbase wallet, and then I'll tap on Preview. You'll check over the information here. If everything looks okay, you'll tap on Send Now. You might have to verify your account, that's okay. Go ahead and walk through the steps to do that if it asks you. After you verify, this is the screen you'll see. It's confirming that I have sent. You can tap on View Details if you'd like, or you can tap on Done. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you transfer Ethereum from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.